All About Food. If you're new here, hello, I'm Christie.
For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make beef tapa. We need 500 grams sukiyaki cut beef, 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon Lea Perrins Worcestershire sauce, half a cup Heinz distilled white vinegar, salt according to your taste, cooking oil, half a teaspoon white pepper, 2 tablespoons garlic granulated, tongs, measuring spoon and cup, pan, add salt according to your taste, add half a teaspoon white pepper, add 2 tablespoons garlic granulated, add 1 tablespoon Lea Perrins Worcestershire sauce, add 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, half a cup Heinz distilled white vinegar, combine all the ingredients. Make sure you incorporate all the ingredients. You may marinate for at least an hour or overnight for more flavorful tapa. Preheat the pan. Add the cooking oil, pan fry the tapa for a few minutes per side or your desired golden brown in a medium to high heat. To know more about this and other recipe, you may follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I am serving this with steamed cabbage and a sunny side up egg. You can also serve this with fried rice and a sunny side up egg. There you have it, my beef tapa with steamed cabbage and sunny side up egg.
If you are looking for food delivery service here in Rizal, please visit Magic Food Services. The link is in the description down below. Thank you very much to all my subscribers. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you're new here. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.